1967 Shelby GT500 up next.
Well, here you go, heavy hitter. First year for a big block Shelby Mustang. And there is the engine, the Police Interceptor 428 with a 4-speed transmission that is lime gold. Definitely more lime than gold.
Right.
Fully documented. It's been an award winner at the Shelby Nationals. It's, of course, listed at the Shelby Registry.
Beautiful restoration, except they didn't have to redo the interior, JK. Did you notice that?
Oh, they stayed with the original interior?
Original wood rim steering wheel. Love that lime gold. And it's not an early production car because the high beam headlamps in the grille are split wide. Beautiful machine.
All right, reserves off. We're at $195,000. For you Shelby fans, keeping track at home, have a registry in front of you. Shelby number 02722 just sold. Those folks right there. $195,000, Scott.
I think they're okay with that. Yes, indeed. More from Vegas straight ahead.
Yep.